now because sometimes I forget for the recording. So now we have start the recording.
Yes, stop the recording.
So we will recall this. So this what we have told you. So these we start from this particular. So we start from this particular command 1 and command 2. So we want to combine more than one command. This is command 1 and this is command 2. And we want to filter. So this pipe symbol used to combine more than one command. This pipe symbol is used to combine the commands. So we can say this is the command 1 and this is the command 2, this is the command 3, more than one command. So we can combine. So this is the use of pipe symbol. Now on the next command we want to use T command. So this is the output of this particular command, and this is the another command, and T is used to save the one copy in the file and the another copy in the screen. And from the screen we want to filter also. So these are my all the commands that I've discussed. So now my topic is now Vim. What is Vim? Vim is a text editor. Vim is a text editor. We want to type any types of text, we can use Vim, Vi, Nano, and other text editor options. Editor. So it's an editor. So what it is? So it's a programmer text editor. We want to type any types of text. We can use Vi. We can also use Vi option. Vi is the old version of Vim. Vi is a old version of Vim, and we want to edit any type of plain text. We want to edit any types of plain text, so we can use Vi and Vim command. So it is mostly used by the programmers to write the program, to edit the texts, and it has the other features just like multi-level undo feature, multi-window feature, buffering feature, highlight feature, command line editing feature, file name auto completion features. So these are the features of the Vim. And now it has some of the modes. It's not just like Notepad. You can open the Notepad file, then the write. Not write. It will have some commands to write and to copy, cut, paste. It has the different commands to copy, paste, to delete. It has some of the modes just like command line mode, escape mode, insert mode, edit mode, visual mode also. When you open the file first time, so it will display the command mode. First, you have the first open the file. It has one mode, that is command line mode. In this command line mode, we can use navigation, cut, paste, copy. These are options are used in this particular mode. And we want to write something, so we can you press the I symbol, I keystroke to goes on the insert mode. So we can type any types of text in this particular insert mode. And we want visual mode, so we can use V command. Suppose we want to save the data. What we will use? We use colon symbol. Colon is used to save the data. So now these are the commands. What are the commands? W to save, Q to quit, write and save, forcefully. So we can use X to save also. We can another command to save, Shift ZZ. We want to delete the line, we can use DD. We want to copy YY, not Control C. In this we can use YY to copy the lines. For paste we can use P. For the cut we can use CC, undo U, Control R. So these are the commands that are used in Vim editor. Not just like a Notepad, MS Word, not this. So it has the other commands. Highlight, we goes to particular line, This is the G. To top of the file, Shift G. So these are the some of the commands. So I will use these one by one. So we will start this. Remove the all highlight. As I have completed the commands, I will highlight these. So we will start from the Vim. So Vim is a text editor. Just work as a command. Vim is a command at this time. Then we want to type. We want to create any types of file. So give the name. Suppose my file name is file 123. This is the name of the file. And why I want to create a file. The name of the file is file 123. And just enter. Just enter. So at this time, this mode is called command line mode. Or we can say that it's also called the escape mode. It's also called escape mode. When we type I, at this time we type any. We type in the keyboard any key. So it will not type. When we press I, now we type anything, the text will be typed. So in this mode, when we press escape button, so it will convert again in command line mode. When we press escape button from the keyboard, it will convert to command line mode. When we type I again, it will convert to insert mode. So this is my insert. It also display on the screen. It's a insert mode. In insert mode, we can type any text. Suppose this is my text editor. It is just like a notepad, but in this we have other command to work. Like we want to insert, so I is used for the insert mode. When we press escape button, ESC, escape button for command line mode. Command line mode. In this we can also call escape mode. Escape mode. In this mode we can use copy, cut, paste. So these are the options that are used in this particular mode. And we want to save. What we will type? Colon. Colon symbol used to when we want to save, then type W. When we want to quit, then type the Q. When we want to forcefully quit, then we can use these options. So these are the options. To save, we can also use escape. Sorry, only X, not escape, X to save. And these are also used to save, quit, and the last symbol is for forcefully. So these are used. We can don't use the command. So we can use in a escape mode Shift plus ZZ. Shift plus ZZ symbol. ZZ. So we can use this. Suppose we want to save. What we will do when we type colon, so it's just type colon. When we type just W, is just type W. But we want to save. So now press escape button in the keyboard. Then the insert mode will be removed. It will convert to command line mode. And just then type W, sorry, colon. Then type W. It's save. So what it will display in the screen? Just written. Written means save. So all the line will be saved. And now we want to quit. So type Q. So it will quit from the Vim command. Now we again type this, then type just W. We can also use X to save. Then again press escape button and colon just X. It will save and quit at the same time. So it also save and quit. What? Last command to save. What is the last command? To save, I have typed. Then just type escape button. Then shift, press shift button. Then at the same time ZZ. So you can save also, and you also quit from the Vim terminal. So these are the options that are used. So what are the options? W to save. So we can save the, and we want to use quit to quit the quit, and we want to save at the same time, and we want to quit at the same time. So we can use both options at the same time. We can use these individually, and we can also combine the both options. And we want to save, this is forcefully. This is the symbol of forcefully. And we want to use three options at the same time also. So we can use these three options at the same time, just like that. And we want to forcefully quit. So we can use individual options, and we can use the options in the combined format. And this is individual command. It is used to save and quit, but just for the permission purpose, it will not work. So we can use this particular symbol for the forcefully. And we want to save, this is also used to save the command. So these are the options to save and quit only. So these are the options to save and quit, to save and quit. So these are options from this particular to this particulars, only for the saving purpose. Just we want to delete some type of content, line, word, so we can use dd command. So we can use this. Suppose we want to delete this particular line, escape line. So we type in the keyboard dd, two time d, only first time, there is no result. Then again type d, so the line will be deleted. Now again we type u, undo. So now you can display in the status bar. This is my status bar. When we type D, it will display. It will display. Okay, okay. I think sure, no issue. So when we type 2 time D, the line will be deleted. 2 time D, when we type, the line will be deleted. But we want to revert this line. So we can use U for undo. When the line will be deleted, but we want to revert back. So what we will use? U for undo. So line will be came back. Okay. So now we want two lines at the same time. Suppose I am this particular line. This is my text editor, and we want to delete these three lines at the same time. So what we will do? Type 3. So now you can see in the status bar 3. And we want to copy, then we can use YY. We can to delete, then we can use DD option. So this is 3D. 3 lines will be deleted. Then again when we type again D, so line will be deleted. So you can see all 3 lines will be deleted. 3 fewer lines. When we want the back these 3 lines, so we can type undo. For undo, we can use U command. U. So these all 3 lines will be back. So DD to delete the lines. When we type 3, number of lines, want to delete number of lines, so we can use, suppose we type 5, so it's type 5. When we type dd, so these 5 lines will be deleted, and we want to revert these lines, so we can use undo option. So we can type u option. So u is used to undo the work, any work, u for undo. And we want to revert this undo option, so we can use ctrl control plus r to redo. We want to copy, so we want to delete the line, so dd option is used, delete the lines. And we want to number of lines, just like 2dd, so it will delete 2 lines. When we type 6dd, it will delete the 6 lines. When we type 10dd, so it will delete the 10 lines. So we can use, we want number of lines delete, we can delete. Suppose we want to copy, we can use cp command. It's called in this yanked, yankd. And we want to copy 2 lines, 2yy. We want to copy 20 lines, we can 20yy. So we can use, so dd for delete, yy for copy. So now we can use this option. We want to copy this particular line, so we type, you can see in the status bar, for one line there is no highlighting, there is nothing highlight in the, so what we will do, at this time we type y, then again y, so this line will be copied, and we want to paste this. So what we will use, paste, we use p for paste. What we will use, paste. So now in escape mode type p, so this line will be paste. Suppose we want to copy 2 lines at the same time, suppose these 2 lines, starting 2 lines, then type 2, so what it will display, 2. When we type 1y, it will type only 1y, then again y, it will be copied, so there is nothing in the screen. When we type it, these 2 lines, then type p, only p option, so these 2 lines will be copied. So we can use yy to copy the line, only one line copy, only press yy. When we type copy more than 2 lines, so we can use these options. How many lines we want to copy, type the number and after then yy. So these are options to copy and delete. Have you any doubt in these options? Then I will explain again if we have any doubt. Now clear these points?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the options, dd to delete. Now we want copy, so we can use these option. To paste, we can use this option, and to cut, we can use this option. Undo, we can use this option. So these are the options. Suppose redo, we can use this. And now these are the topics that I will discuss. Now these are the rest topics. Suppose we want to show the numbers in the file. We want not this particular